Hello, dear colleagues. Not only browsing the dental literature for you, now we start also browsing interesting books for you. Let's start with an interesting 700 pages book called Protocol Standardization in Fixed Prosthodontics, published by Quintessence, the author Marko Jakovac. So what is this book Protocol all about? It's not only about fixed prosthodontics. It's more. You see the authors, so some friends of Marco who contributed to this book, and the interesting part is how things are set up. Again, nice documentation, and we start with the initial examination. Planning is key to any successful treatment. So recording all the necessary information, and then you can do virtual planning if you want with digital smile design, all the tools that are available these days, also shown in this book. And again, I love all this. I love all these pictures that are really great and show that the author is an aficionado for things that look nice. So basically, what is the pre-treatment? What do we need to do? We're talking about period treatment, hygiene, all the things that are important. Clean your teeth, show your patient how to clean their teeth. Periodontal treatment with all the information we need. And we have re-evaluation, recall, surgical treatments. So basically, it's a really step-by-step guide on how to go through a therapy with your patients. Caries. One of the biggest issues still, caries and periodontitis, are the two main diseases we are fighting. Showing you how to do fillings, really step-by-step protocols. Wow, that's really cool. Endo treatment. We're going through endo treatments, fiber and posts. So basically orthodontic treatment, aligners, everything you need to get your patient ready to be treated. So basically the pre-treatment is the part that takes most of the time. He talks also about dental photography, an important topic, and you know it's my passion, photography. I'm happy that there's also some room, some space for this important part of clinical documentation, communication with your patients. And again, just browsing through the book and showing you all these beautiful images. Video documentation is also part of the book. Dental materials, so we're talking about materials that you can use, zirconia, all the modern things are shown here. And wow, just I love all this thing. Important, analog versus digital is an important topic. Many dentists are still working the analog way, and we see a mixed workflow is one that is very common still today. It's not all fully digital, maybe in the future, but so far it's not. How to do registrations correctly and so on, wax up, you name it, digital planning. We talked about all these amazing tools, scanning, milling, printing. All this is in the book. I'm really amazed how to do your preparations, graphic design. So we see that the author is also teaching at the university, a lot of educational stuff, instruments to use, how to work your working position, use a microscope, magnification. Wow, it's really something that needs time. 700 pages. Wow, this is amazing. Digital impressions, bite registration again. So step by step, everything you need to do proper prosthodontic work with your patients. So if you're struggling, if you have questions related to your treatment or to how to treat your patient. This book can really help you with guidelines and much more. So go and get this book, add it to your library. I think it's worth doing so. Check out more videos on literature and books on Dental TV. Stay tuned.